What in the world did you buy?
I bought 3 of these. You don't recognize it?
You got another garden?
I did.
A third.
Don't you love it?
How many plants is that gonna be now?
I don't know. Don't make me mad. 60 or so?
60 or so, good Lord. So what's the idea with a third? Why do we need that?
Well, for one, it's fun. And fun is important. But I was thinking the variety, like the pepper plants,
Yeah, it's
become
got
a
pretty
little
big.
overwhelming. So I want one where I can play with things like pepper plants. But I do like having consistent salads for lunch every day from this.
Yeah, I've had like 3 a week at least.
Yeah, so I think that's the goal, is to get us where we have salads all the time, and we just have one of them for salads and lettuce specifically, so that we can have lots of salads. I'm thinking the other one.
Cherry tomatoes? Yeah, those are fun.
And then we're gonna put those in the kitchen and have them as decorative too.
Yeah, I think that'll look good.
I
Kind of
mean,
walk into the kitchen and see kind of all fresh plants and stuff.
people put plants in their kitchen, but like actual food that you can just eat from your kitchen, that's pretty cool.
Okay, I'm seeing it. Gonna steal me a tomato. Mine.
Okay, let's get this unboxed.
Nope. Yeah, be afraid of her using a knife. None of that. Use this instead. Ceramic. You don't cut yourself. No hospitals tonight. Thank you. I will take this.
That's good.
And the razor blade wasn't the threat, it was the cardboard. You can't be trusted with even dull things. Where is it?
I
Oh,
got
I
2.
see. Oh, gosh. I bet that stinks. Cardboard cuts, not fun.
No, that's taken care of. We have 2 garden towers. They have a hose at the bottom that goes from the bottom all the way to the top. And then it kind of drips water all the way down from your top plants to your bottom plant. And these things called Y-pods, they hold your plants, but they also hold water so that your roots can continue to drink from the Y-pods. That way they don't have to, well, you don't have to run your pump all the time. The nice thing about Gardyn is your pump is automated. If you pay for their subscription, you get to automatically have your watering schedule set and your light schedule set, so you don't have to worry about taking care of your plants. One of the most common things I hear from my friends whenever I tell them I do this is they're like, I kill plants. Well, I did too until I had Kelsi to help me keep them alive. It comes with this really big, cool light bar. The light bar has a camera on it, and it takes pictures of your plants and gives you a time lapse showing you kind of how your plants grew along the way. And they even send you plants to kind of start off with. So they have a starter kit that you can kind of choose which plants sound like the most fun to you. And then they'll send them your way, and I don't know, there's a whole bunch of them. There's even more down at the bottom, so don't just dump them out, and have fun.
And like that, in about 15 minutes, we have everything hooked up, and we've even moved some plants from the old garden over to the new garden, so we can take our existing garden down for kind of probably a yearly deep clean. We'll put some citric acid in it and get them freshened up, and we'll have both of them out here in the kitchen. You excited?
Yes.
Good.